Good evening, everyone. It's been a couple of days. I cleaned out my mom's apartment yesterday, so she no longer has to worry about that. And good evening, Mr. Sun. You're about ready to go down. I'm hoping that my life goes back to normal. I'm not going to guarantee it, since it seems like this lockdown per se is going to last till the end of April. Which is fine. As long as I get to go out and hike, I don't care. I'm content staying at home. Oh, good Lord, it's cold. We have a high wind advisory. So I'm content staying at home, getting stuff done, because I got a lot of stuff I have to catch up on after taking care of Mom. These are my skies. Amazingly enough, I haven't seen a lot of trails, which is good, at least in my eyes. We've got buds coming out of this elm tree, which I'm gonna soon grow to hate, because those things pretty much start a tree wherever they land. Yeah, I gotta get back to the Schumann, but I'm trying to get back to a normal schedule. It's not easy. I did take some video of my time on the hill today. We had a small hail, not really a hailstorm, but just a hail incident, which lasted about an hour or so. No big deal. But it was good to be outside. All right, everybody. Much love. Spend time with your family. Stay safe. Avoid any large groups, because they can contain the contagion, which we want to avoid. But other than that, just enjoy this beautiful time outside. It's way better than sitting in a dark movie theater. Yeah, you don't hear the birds in a dark movie theater. All right, I'm out.